What if I told you that you could design viral Instagram reels without editing or creating any content yourself? And I'm not talking about some basic templates where you put in your own text. First, head over to the website to sign up for a free account. Here you can either create a blank video or select from one of these templates. You can upload your own images and videos. You can record your own screen or webcam. You can pull from Canva stock photos and videos, which is exactly what we do today. You also have access to elements, which is basically another word for graphics, like these arrows here or anything else that you might want to include in your video. But you might be wondering how you can actually edit and change things to better suit your needs. Well, it's actually quite simple. All of the components in your video are actually editable after you've generated them. You can actually create multiple variations of your video by clicking on the magic design button again and selecting one of these options. As you can see, you can create some really awesome videos in just a few clicks. If there's something that you don't like, you can click on it and easily change it to whatever you want. So if you don't like this graphic here, you can click on it, select something else from the Elements tab, and it will automatically insert it into your video. The same goes for the music. If you don't like the music that Canva selected, simply click on it and select something else from their library. There's also a music option, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. Finally, you can add text to your video. This will use AI to make your video look even better. You simply click on Enhance and then click on one of the enhancement options. Canva will then use AI to enhance your video. Just click on Share, Download, and select the MP4 option. We suggest making motivational videos or videos related to your business that you can use across ads and across other platforms as well. This will allow you to download your video in full resolution without any watermarks. We're going to select the blank option so we can start from scratch. To do this, simply click on the clip and then drag it to the center of your screen. You will notice that it automatically resizes to fit the crop of Instagram Reels, which is a square 1:1 ratio. Next, we're going to make 2 copies of this video by clicking once and then dragging it to the right. This is where the magic happens. This will ensure that your video is the correct size and dimensions for Instagram Reels. Then choose the size Instagram Reels. Now, if you don't have one already, it only takes a minute, and then you'll have access to this incredible tool that we're going to be showing you today. I mean, an entire page where everything is generated by AI, that's right. You heard me right. Let me show you how it works. You can now use this tool to batch create content for Instagram Reels, save time, and get more views. Next, click on Create Design, scroll down, and select Video. Now, on the left-hand side here are all of the different tools that you have at your disposal. To begin our video, we're going to select one of these stock clips and drop it into our video. In the text box at the top of the screen, enter in whatever keywords you want. For example, let's say we wanted to create a video about productivity. We're going to select the first option that says Magic Design. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to the text box and select Magic Design. You'll see a bunch of different options appear. Then sit back and watch as Canva uses AI to design your entire video. This process only takes a few seconds, and once it's finished, you'll see your video come to life with text, graphics, and music, all based on your keyword prompt. This process is extremely powerful and effective. You can literally generate hundreds of videos in minutes. Once you've generated your video, it will look something like this. But to make it even better, Canva has a feature called Enhance. You can download your video in full resolution without a watermark, but wait, there's more. And now, here's the best part. So, what should you make? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.